Hey guys, Tommy here. I'm just going to do a quick video here on my gratitude for cryptocurrency. Maybe I'll make this into like a more, I don't know, advanced or whatever video in the future, but I just want to get this out here for you guys. I feel the vibe and want to share that. Basically, I'm just super grateful for cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. My background is seeking the best investments in the world, and I've been on this since 2011. You know, I look at everything, real estate all over the world, stocks, options, futures, Forex, venture capital and private equity, commodities, you name it. I'm open to it. And I keep a list actually of what I consider are the best. But anyway, I found Bitcoin in 2012. I put it on my list. It was around $10 then. And I was like, I'll take a closer look later on. I don't know if I told you guys this story, but this is how I found it. Anyway, then it went into that bubble where it went up to like $200 and kind of stabilized around 100. And I said, okay, I'll buy it when it goes down to 50. And it never really did. It might have touched it really briefly, but not you're not able to catch it. That's how short of a period of time it was that low. Anyway, so next thing you know, 6 months later, it went up to $1,000. So basically in the course of a year, it went from $10 to $1,000, so 100 times return. And that just blew my mind. I was like, I was amazed, and I felt kind of stupid for not investing in it sooner. So I said, okay, I'm never going to take my eyes off this again. And I never did. So basically after that bubble at the end of 2013, I really delved into cryptocurrency and learned just a ton about it every day. So anyway, I knew, too, I could have put 10 grand into it when it was $10, and that would have made me a millionaire in a year. So that was something powerful to experience and stuck with me. And I'll show you guys a chart here so you can see this is actually something I have on my desktop. And as you can actually see here on the bottom right hand side, this is a picture I've had on my desktop for about 2 years now. It's 2015, and I was looking at it before, but these are just what I like to see. You can see here Litecoin, if you look at the top right, during these bubbles was at 7 cents, and there's these two big surges you can see here. One was in April 2013 and one was at the end of 2013 around November. They each went up about 50 times, and together they went up about 500 times. And that's something I always like too, is I realize newer ones are going to have more potential for gain. And I'll just put a caveat there that I'm not about, tiny cryptocurrencies and stuff. At this time, there was only about a dozen or so cryptocurrencies out, or really not very many. But these days too, I'm proponents of, Ethereum and Monero. I think they have bigger potential for gain than Bitcoin. So anyhow, so this is something I've had on my desktop and something I look at. It's on my vision board. This 500 times gain in Litecoin in a year if you just bought it in, February 2013. At November 2013 and November, you'd have had made 500 times gain on your money. So that's just something cool to share with you guys. But since then I have, been riding and watching the Bitcoin space since. Bitcoin was down for 2014. It was just going down the whole year. 2015 stabilized, and then 2016, the past year, really we've seen fruition. And as you might have kind of seen from my other videos, I caught both the Ethereum and Monero surges. A lot of people caught one or the other. I don't think there's many of us who caught both of those. And it's just because I understood their fundamental value, and then I have enough experience to recognize when a whale is accumulating. So I caught both of those. I had positions in both, but I increased my position significantly in both of those right before they bubbled. Ethereum at $2, Ethereum at $1, and Monero right around $2. I don't want to get off point or anything. The point I want to make is it just blows my mind, and I'm so grateful for the cryptocurrency world. And I want to just take a step back here and really, I want you guys to feel that, if you can feel my vibe. It's like there's so many people out there who don't know about this realm of technology or the power it has in investment. A good friend of mine worked at Goldman Sachs and talked about how a lot of people he work with, making six-figure incomes are just buying, 3 times ETFs, which are basically you can buy stocks that are kind of leveraged, or ETFs are basically indexes. They're exchange traded funds, but they basically follow assets or various things, but they're leveraged. Or they'll buy options, like they'll buy oil options, just silly things like that. They just don't know it exists. There's actually a whole Reddit called Wall Street Bets that there's, I think, over 100,000 people in there. And I don't think you can talk about cryptocurrency in there. And those people are just doing the, the extreme YOLO bets, but the world just at large still doesn't know about cryptocurrency and the potential it has for gain. And I'm just so grateful. Something I think about sometimes is, just how blessed we are. You can buy food is quite cheap these days, and although perhaps this isn't the highest quality food, you can buy like a rotisserie chicken for $5. So, if you move into the hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars range, you're just super well situated. Again, this is just kind of a little bit of a rough draft video, but I felt like I should get it out there rather than trying to perfect it, just share it with you guys. And I'll tell you guys too, I pay attention to a lot of the investments of what's going on in the world. I do not see a better investment than cryptocurrency in almost anything. The only thing that I see that could compete with cryptocurrency type investments are venture capital investments, like being a seed or a really early round investor in Facebook or Uber or Snapchat. But pretty much all of us don't have, or almost all of us don't have opportunities for that. You have to be definitely in that circle and bringing those companies a lot of value for them to even give you a share of them, to be able to invest in them, to be a seed investor. By the time these companies IPO, you missed the vast majority of the gains. You missed the 100x gains. But again, cryptocurrency has that potential. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to make a quick video about this for you guys. I hope you guys like this. Let me know if you guys want me to expand on anything, or if you want me to talk about anything specifically. But yeah, again, just a quick video to get this out here for you guys. If you like it, hit the like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.